now we will see some more sums in areas of solved, some tricky sums in areas of parallelograms. That one we will see, okay? Yeah. Okay, once again. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. See, now we see what is given in the sum. Let's see what is given. PQ or S is a parallelogram. So it is given in the sum itself. PQ or S is a parallelogram. Okay. P here or S. So in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. That you know, isn't it? Okay. Then what else? PO and OQ or respectively angle bisectors of P and Q. So you have to draw a line such that so this is the angular bisector. So that means, what do you mean by angular bisector? Solunga? Angular bisector means it bisects the angle. It makes two equal halves. So these two angles are equal. Idu rendu equal ah irukum. And these two angles are equal. Okay. So, and this is O. And L OM is drawn parallel to PQ inside PQ or S. So that there is a line parallel to this. LOM. So LOM is parallel to PQ and S, or you can say. Then prove it. PL is equal to QM. So prove it. Prove that this PL is equal to QM and LO is equal to OM. Yes, tell me guys, what is the idea? Do you have any idea? Solunga eppadi prove pannalaanta? What's the idea? Tell me. I don't think so. Wait, let me check once again. See, if I name this is angle 1. This is also angle 1. This is 2 and this is angle 2. Okay. Then So you have to see if these two triangles are congruent, then you can say, but you can't say, right? This is a parallelogram. Mm. One minute, dear. 1 minute. Mm. Yes, yes. Mm. Wait, let me check my drawing is correct or not. That I'll check it. Yes, my drawing is correct. P and Q and or respectively the angle bisectors of P and yeah, that's correct. Okay. Mm. Okay, fine. See, now if you consider this one. Okay, now, okay. See, it is given in the sum LOM, LOM or LM. You just name it as LM. That is fine. Okay. We know LM is parallel to PQ. So LM must be parallel to PQ. That is fine. LM is parallel to PQ, and you know that PS is parallel to QR, isn't it? PS is parallel to QR, which implies PL must be parallel to QM, isn't it? Guys, Amava. Okay, so opposite sides. Now you consider this. These two lines are parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel to each other. This and these two lines are parallel to each other. And these two lines are parallel to each other. So it must be a parallelogram, right? So you can say, so which implies PQML is a parallelogram, correct? Therefore, PL is equal to QM. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, isn't it? Yes? Yes. So one thing is we proved. Okay. Similarly, but how do you say wo bisects? Okay. Then what else you could say? And these are parallel. And if you see, if you take, okay. Then if you see, these two lines are parallel. This is also angle 1 because alternate angle. PO works like a transversal alternate angle. So these two measures must be equal, isn't it? Yes, ma'am. Similarly, here also, if you see, these two lines are parallel. So this is 2 means this also must be angle 2, isn't it? Yes? See, dear, if it is, this and this are alternate angles, isn't it? So here, PQ and LM are parallel lines and OQ works like a transversal. So if this is 2, this also must be 2, isn't it? So now, so this measure is equal to this because this is an isosceles triangle. If you consider OQM, it is an isosceles triangle. We know that PL is equal to QM. Instead of PL, you can write OL. Similarly, instead of QM, you can write OM. So that is also proved, isn't it? Guys, can you understand? Purida illaya ungalku? No, puriliya. Now, no, explain pannava. Okay, irunga. Now, no, clean explain pandra. See, so it is given a PQ or S is a parallelogram. Correct? Huh? PQ or S is a parallelogram. It is given. Therefore, PQ வந்து என்னது? Parallel to SR and PQ வந்து parallel to LM. It is given. Amava. So it is given in the sum. PQ is LOM is drawn parallel to PQ. So it is also given in the sum. Sum le kuduthirukam PQ. This line. This line is parallel to this. Okay. Then, and you know that PS is parallel to QR. Yes? Amava. So this. So you can, this is in the point. L is lie on PS and M lie on QM. So you could say PL is parallel to QM, isn't it? Yes or no? Ama then. So from this and this, either ending which from 1 and 2, what you can say from CPQ is parallel to LM, PL is parallel to QM. If opposite sides are parallel, you could say PQ LM is a parallelogram, isn't it? You can say PQML is a parallelogram, isn't it? See, if opposite sides are parallel, you can say the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Yes, guys. Appo, idu vandu PQML is a parallelogram, then PL must be equal to QM, illaya? PL is equal to QM. Hence proved. So this is number idu prove pannittom. Next. Next இப்போ நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா PQ is parallel to LM. PQ is parallel. PQ is parallel to LM, and the PO works like a transversal line. Yes, works like a transversal line. So if you see this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angle. Correct? Now you consider the triangle PLO. PLO is an isosceles triangle because this is one and this is also one. So this is an isosceles triangle. So these two side measures must be equal. Correct? Yes. Similarly, ade madri, if you come this side, this and this angles are equal, alternate angles. Again, pathina idu two. So OQM is also an isosceles triangle. So this measure is equal to this measure. But we already solitom PL is equal to QM. Already we have proved PL is equal to QM. So from this, you could say instead of PL, you can write LO. Instead of QM, you can write OM. Hence proved. Correct? Guys, have you understood now? Purinjicha ipo? Okay. Make a note of it. Okay. Now, what is given in the sum? Sumla enna kuduthirukam? Triangle ABC. So there is a triangle. So here it is given triangle ABC. So I'm drawing a triangle. Name it ABC. Okay, then parallel to the sides and lines are drawn through A, B, C, parallel to sides BC, CA and AB respectively. How do you draw? Forming PQR. So through A, ABC, parallel to through A, parallel to BC. Yes. Now they are saying you have to draw a line which is parallel. See how you have to understand the sum properly. Okay. See what is given in the sum. Lines are drawn through A, B and C parallel to the sides BC, CA, AB. Through A parallel to BC. How do you draw? Through A parallel to BC. So this is a way. Okay. And through B parallel to CA. And through C parallel to AB. Yes, exactly. You're right. So if you extend, it will frame another triangle. Yes. Yes. Now it makes PQR. PQR. Now you have to show that BC is equal to, you have to show that BC is equal to half of QR. I think I named something wrong. Wait one second. BC is equal to, I think. BC means this is QR. QR, this must be P. Okay. BC is equal to QR. This is what you have to prove. Okay, guys, tell me what is the idea? Every the proof panla. See, one by one we will go. See, if you take triangle, so this is parallel to this, isn't it? So by BPT, you can write in triangle PQR, AB is parallel to PR, isn't it? So you can say QB by BP is equal to QA by AR. Yes. Okay. Similarly, this you name it as 1. This you name it as 1. Similarly, where enna sollala? AC is parallel to QP, isn't it? AC is parallel to QP. So by BPT, Iranga, idhukku ratios you have to write ratios, isn't it? So how do you write ratio? A RA by AQ, that is equal to RC by PC. This you name it as 2. Adukaprom. Again, similarly, enna sollalam? BC is parallel to QR. Therefore, how do you write? PB by, PB by QB is equal to PC by CR. This you name it as 3. Okay. So, idhula eppadi edukalam? Enna pannalam namba? See, once again, guys. Now, if you check this and this, with rendu pathina, this one is QB by PP. This is PB by QB. Ilaya. So, how do you write? You can write, you can write this way. From 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, QB by BP is equal to QA by AR. That is equal to inga pathina PB by QB irukku. So you're supposed to write CR by PC, isn't it? CR by PC, correct, guys? Yes. Okay. Now you check the figure. QA by AR is equal to what it is? CR by PC it is given. So these two ratios are equal. How do you cross check? Okay. Then that is equal to RA. And if you consider the third one, so this and this are matching. Isn't it? This and this are matching. So you can write RA by AQ. So all the ratios are equal to each other. So otherwise, how do we do this? So all the ratios are equal to each other. So this must be a C must be a midpoint of QR and A must be a midpoint of, otherwise, how do I say? Okay, so these two measures are equal. You can say, see, QA by AR, how do I write? QA by AR is equal to QB by BP. So what you can write? No, wait. These two are, this is like a midpoint, it should come. Then only you can prove it. Isn't it? Wait, let me check once again. I think you no need to do this way. I'll teach you another way once again. I'll teach another way that is very, very easy. Comparatively, this one, if you use angle property, then it's very, very easy. That way we do. Okay, once again. Okay. Who is calling? Ma'am, I call you back, ma'am. I'm in a class, okay? Yeah. Okay. Sorry guys. Once again, something is okay. Okay, now it is fine. Now, if you see, I name this angle as this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay. Now, if you see, these two lines are parallel. QR is parallel to BC. So this must be 2, isn't it? This must be 2 and this must be 3, correct? Yes? Guys, can you understand? புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? Okay. Similarly, if you see AC is parallel to QP, so AC is parallel to QP, this works like a transversal line, isn't it? So this is 2, that is what we marked it. Okay, then what else? So actually what we want to prove, all are congruent to each other. That's it. So if you see, this must be, these two are, this and this are alternate angles, and this are alternate angles. Similarly, if you see here, this is alternate angle. This is 1 and this must be 3. If you see 1 and 2, this must be 3. Correct? See, 1 and 3, this must be 2. And here 2 and 3, this must be 3. So all the 3 angles are similar triangles. Okay, so you could say, okay, then if you consider this, okay, I'll take any 2 triangles. I take these 2 triangles but we need what? BC and QR, isn't it? Okay, now I take this triangle solution. I take triangle in triangle QBA, and triangle ABC. ABC, the order is very, very important. Wait, I write the order. In that way, I write the order. That would be better. Okay, you will have a better understanding. Triangle, okay, B. Okay, triangle ABC, and triangle BAQ. If you consider these 2 triangles, AB is common. AB is common for both the triangles, and QBA, angle QBA is equal to angle BAC, angle BAC, that is angle 1. Similarly, angle QAB is equal to angle CBA, that is 2. So by what? By angle, side angle, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAQ. So by CPCT, you could say BC is equal to AQ, correct? Guys, did you get it? Similarly, now what you do, you take these 2 triangles, this and this triangle, same way, in triangle ABC and triangle CRA. Triangle CRA, AC is common. Tell me, AC is common, and what? Angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle ACR. Angle ACR, that is angle 1, and what? ACB. Angle ACB is equal to angle RAC or CAR, whatever. CAR, that is angle 3. Again, by angle side angle, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CRA. So by CPCT, you can say BC is equal to AR, isn't it? Okay. Now I name this as 1 and this as 2. Okay. From 1 and 2, what? QR is equal to QA plus AR. So QA is also BC and AR also BC. That is equal to 2 BC. Therefore, BC is equal to what? Is equal to half of QR. That is what you want to prove, right? That is what you would like to prove. Hence proved. That's it. Guys, have you understood? Make a note of it. Okay. Okay. Now, see what is given in the sum. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, draw a parallelogram. Yes. So ABCD where DAB is 60 degree. So I keep this as A, this is D, and this is B, C. So this is 60 degree. It is given in the sum. ABCD is a parallelogram and DAB is 60 degree. if the bisectors AP and BP of angles A and B respectively. So there is a bisector of the angle A and there is a bisector from angle B. See, this is 60 means this angle must be what? 30. Very good. This is also 30 and this is also 30. What about these two angles? See, if this is, see guys, so this is 60. This is 60 means this must be what? 120, isn't it? Co-interior angles. These two are co-interior angles. This is 120, isn't it? 120 means this angle is what? Half of it is 60. Very good. This is 60. This is 60. Correct. Okay. Then, so this must be what? 90. Very good. 90 degree. Now, meet at P on CD. Oh, meet at P on CD. How come C? Where is C? Oh, this will be, you have to draw very, okay. Okay, the P fall on C, it seems. Okay. You have to draw that way, not this way. Wait, once again. So we're supposed to draw this way. Wait, I draw it according to the sum. I'll draw it clearly. See what they are saying. There is a parallelogram. CD. If you draw a bisector, it meets at point and it meets at point. So P falls on CD. This is 30. This is 30. This is 60 and this is also 60 and this is 90 degree. Okay. Now you have to prove that. P is a midpoint of CD. That is what you have to prove. Prove that P is a midpoint. How come? What is the idea? Yes, guys. Enna idea solunga pakla. See, one thing is very clear. If you can prove these two are congruent, obviously by CPCT, DP is equal to CP, Leah. Yes? So how do you prove ADP is congruent to BCP? What's the idea? Tell me. Enna idea solunga pakla. One thing is very clear. A on the 60. So this also must be 60. Correct? No, wait pannanga. Yeah, correct. This also 60. And this also 60 it comes. This is 120. This is 120. 120 means, okay, I got it. Okay. Okay, guys. See, I got it, guys. But how come? Okay. So, or see, DC is parallel to AB, isn't it? Why DC is parallel to AB? Guys? Huh? Opposite sides are parallel. That's it. And DC is equal to AB, isn't it? By parallelogram law. And AP is a transversal line, isn't it? AP is a transversal line. So you can say AP, these two angles are equal. This is 30, this also 30, isn't it? Why? Very good, very good. Angle PAB is equal to angle APD because alternate angles. Okay, now if you see in triangle ADP, what about AD and DP? What kind of triangle is that? ADP is what kind of triangle? Isosceles triangle. So AD must be equal to DP, isn't it? Yes? Okay. Okay, then let it be. Then similarly, if you consider this, what about this angle? 60 degree. Why? Angle PPA, yes, is equal to angle CPB, that is equal to 60. The reason is alternate angle. Alternate angles. Okay. Then this is also 60. Then in triangle, if you see, in triangle BCP, what kind of triangle is that? BCP? Guys? Equilateral triangle. Yes, you are right. It is an equilateral triangle. So all the three sides are equal for us. Okay, you can write CP is equal to CB. That is equal to PB, isn't it? Okay. Now if you see, you know that AD is equal to CB, isn't it? Why AD is equal to CB? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Yes. So parallelogram, isn't it? So instead of AD, can you write DP? Where it is? Okay. Instead of AD, you can write DP, isn't it? Instead of CB, you can write CP, isn't it? CP. So DP is equal to CP, which implies P is the midpoint of CD, isn't it? Hence proved. Guys, understood? That's it. Make a note of it. Copied, really? So fast. Go make a note of it. I'll give you time. No worries. Okay. Okay, guys. See the sum. Diagonals of a parallelogram ABCD intersect at O. First, we draw a parallelogram. We draw a parallelogram. Okay, I name it as ABCD. Okay, draw the diagonals. it is given, they intersect at O. It is given in the sum, they intersect at O. So this to be named O. Okay. Now, through O intersects AB at X and DC at Y. So you're supposed to draw a line through O. So through O, you're supposed to draw a line. This line intersects. We have given different way, it seems. We should give name this way, then that would be better once again. Okay. I name it as A this way, B, C, D. Then it is fine. So intersects O, the line O intersects AB at X, AB at X, and DC at Y. Prove that OX is equal to OY. Yes, guys, what is the idea? See, again, guys, very easy. See, one thing, now I name this as 1, angle 1. And this are alternate angles, correct?
Yes, sir.
Alternate angles. Similarly, this I name it as 2. And this also, I name it as, this is also again alternate angle. Then what else? See, who's calling? Okay, then what else? What else you could see? AB is equal to CD. Okay, okay, then. But you can't say. They just mentioned a line through O intersects AB at X, DC at Y. They didn't even mention the line is parallel to BC or AD. Nothing is mentioned, isn't it? So what we can do? What you could prove? Okay, yeah, I got it. Wait, I'll tell you what it is. Okay, 1 second, guys. I'll explain. Okay, see, leave this one. Okay. See, consider this triangle. Consider this triangle and this triangle. Okay, in the rendu triangle consider pannunga. Okay. Now, if you see, this and this are equal. Why? What is the reason? Huh? Sorry, come again. Vertically opposite angles, right? They are vertically opposite angles. Okay, how do you write? Solution in triangle. And one more thing, you know that this angle is equal to, because these two lines are parallel, this I name it as 3. This angle is equal to this angle, 3. Okay. So then we know that diagonals bisect each other, right? They bisect. These two measures are equal. Correct? So you write that way. Triangle BOX. Triangle BOX and triangle DOY. DOY. Angle XBO is equal to angle YDO. Y, that is equal to 3. Why? Why these two angles are equal? Guys, tell me. Huh?
I'm one time explain. What's happening? A vertical opposite angle.
Sorry, come again.
Vertical opposite angle.
They are all, see, இரு நான் சொல்றேன் கரெக்டா சொல்றேன் இருங்க நான் திரும்ப கரெக்டா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன் ஒரு parallelogram இருக்கு சரியா there is a parallelogram A B C D is a parallelogram இதோட diagonals வந்து நம்ம draw பண்றோம் okay just diagonals according to the sum we are drawing diagonals okay இப்போ diagonals draw பண்றோம் but the diagonals என்ன ஆகுது they bisect each other at O. அவன் என்ன சொல்றான் there is another line we are drawing through ஓங்கறான் அது parallel எதுமே கொடுக்கல nothing is given there is a line which passes through ஓங்கறான் that line cuts AB at X cuts OY at Y you have to prove that OX is equal to OY now have you got clear with the sum புரிஞ்சிருச்சா உங்களுக்கு okay இப்போ okay now I consider the triangle BOX. Okay, நான் என்ன பண்றேன் I take these two triangles. இந்த two triangle எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Triangle BOX and triangle DOY. Okay, சரி. இப்போ what about these two angles? இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளும் எப்படி?
Vertically opposite.
Very good, very good. Angle BOX is equal to angle DOY is equal because vertically opposite angles. Okay. What about OB and OD? OB and OD another? Equal. Yeah, equal. OB is equal to OD. Why? What is the reason? Diagonals bisect each other. Illaya? Okay, diagonals. Yes. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay. அடுத்தது அப்புறம் what I am saying this angle is equal to this angle. Why? What is the reason? Alternate angle. Very good. Very good. That is equal to angle YDO. The reason they are alternate angles. ஏன்னா இது ரெண்டு லைனும் parallel. BI is parallel to CD. So these two angles are alternate. Alternate angles. Therefore, by what criteria? என்ன criteria? Huh? Superb. ASA triangle BOX is congruent to triangle DOY. So by CPCT, what? By CPCT, OX to OY. Hence proved. That's it. புரிஞ்சிச்சா உங்களுக்கு? Guys? Okay, copy down.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, dear, time is up. Okay, we will see next class also. We will see same in this topic itself. We will see some tricky sums. Then next class, we will move on to some other different topic. Okay, see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.